To change your car color paint in Forza Horizon 6, first of all, we'll need to click on the escape button and go back to our garage. Most efficient way is to just click on the cars right here. Then you can select the option to buy and used cars. Click on yes, it will fast travel you to your garage or main garage, whatever. It doesn't matter which garage you're in. You can go to the cars section right here, and then there's the options for designs and paints, and there's multiple different ways to paint your car. If you want to simply change the color, click on paint car, and then you can just go for this option and choose different car colors from the list, or you can use the palette. You can also individually paint some parts of your cars if you want. Then make sure to save it if you want to use it. It will be saved as a preset. You can also use the liveries from different people. They make their own designs, and then you can use those and have a cool custom paint job made by somebody else. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.